Now students, here the first you can draw the altitude from vertex to the opposite side, that is P1, base is the small a. Area of the triangle delta equal to half base into height. Okay, that is P1 equal to 2 delta by a. Dear students, similarly P2 is the 2 delta by b, P3 is the 2 delta by c. Now students, is there left hand side 1 by P1 square, 1 by P2 square, 1 by P3 square. 1 by P1 square is, what is the students? 1 by P1. Now this is a square by 4 delta square, b square by 4 delta square, c square by 4 delta square. Just now students, we find out, we are taking 1 by delta is the common. So here what is there? A square plus b square plus c square, 4 delta square is the common. So we can written as 4 delta. Dear students, in the previous question we proved a square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta is cot a plus cot b plus cot c. What is the students? A square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta. Here we are taking the LCM is 4 delta square. Then we are taking the common delta, since a square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta is nothing but cot a plus cot b plus cot c. So students, this can be written as cot a plus cot b cot c upon 4 delta. What is the students? A square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta is cot a plus cot b plus cot c is their delta. So this is the first question. A square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta is the first question, today first question. This is the first one. Okay, already we proved the cot a plus cot b plus cot c is the a square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta. Okay students, so this is the first question. Right now the second one is the students, the cos a question number 2. The cos a by p1, prove that cos a by p1, cos b by p2, cos b by p2 plus cos c by p3 is the students, we have to show that 1 by r, 1 by r. Okay students, so how to write this is, now we are taking the first LCM. First we are taking the left hand side. Left hand side is there cos a by p1, after that cos b by p2, cos c by p3. What is the p1 is 2 delta by a. What is the students? 2 delta by a. When you can take 1 by p1 is the students a by 2 delta. This is, we can written as 2 delta by a. Therefore that is a cos a by 2 delta. Similarly b cos b by 2 delta. Okay students, after then c cos c. So dear students, c cos c by 2 delta. Now students, what we observed here, 2 delta is the LCM. So students, the small a we know that 2r sin a cos a. After that this is 2r sin b. From the sin rule, small a 2r sin a. After that small b is the 2r sin b cos b. After that students, the 2r sin c cos c upon the LCM is the 2 delta. Now students, r is the common. What is the students? R is the common. We have to know that this is the formula of sine of 2a. Sine 2a, 2 sin a cos a. After that student, this is sine of 2b. The last one is sine 2c. So students, this is 2 delta. Is it clear? How to write this is 2 sin a cos a sin 2a, sin 2b 2 sin b cos b, sin 2c 2 sin c cos c. R is the common. Everybody know that from the transformations, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is the students 4 sin a sin b sin c. What is the students? Everybody know that in transformations. So everybody know that we have to know that is sin 2a in a triangle ABC, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c plus sin of 2c equal to 4 sin a into sin b into sin c. This is the very important in the transformations. We can use 3 or 4 times some selected questions in the properties of triangles. Those are very important. The sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is the students 4 sin a sin b sin c. We have to know that. We know that in the transformations it is the first question. If a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees, already I explained these all questions refer to the only triangle ABC. First they was given in a triangle ABC. So students, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is the 4 sin a into sin b into sin c. Okay. Therefore, now we can written as the capital R into, this is the students 4 sin a into sin b. How to write this in the students? How to write this one? Just you can written as the students. All of you listen here. We have to prove that 1 by R. Therefore, students, the capital R equal to sin 2a sin 2b plus sin 2c is the 4 sin a into sin b into sin c. My dear students, 2 into, what is the formula of delta? Delta is, we know that 2r square sin a into sin b into sin c. Is it clear? What is the students? The formula of delta. Everybody know that delta is the 2r square sin a into sin b into sin c. Sin a sin b sin c are cancelled. 2 into 2 4. This is also cancelled. R by r square, that is 1 by r, is the right hand side. Is it clear students? Cos a by p1 plus cos b by p2 cos c by p3 is the 1 by r. Okay students? Now the question number 3. So that, my dear students, the question number 3 in this question, that is 1 by p1 plus 1 by p2 minus of 1 by p3. What is the students? 1 by p1 plus 1 by p2 minus 1 by p3 is the students 2ab. 2ab cos square c by 2 delta into a plus b plus c. 2ab cos square c by 2 upon delta into a plus b plus c. Okay students? So what is the left hand side is there? 1 by p1 1 by p2 minus 1 by p3 is there. So students, the left hand side is there 1 by p1 1 by p2 minus 1 by p3. So students, 1 by p1 1 by p1 is the students a by 2 delta, b by 2 delta, c by 2 delta. What is the LCM is 2 delta. Now student, this is a plus b plus minus c. Okay, a by 2 delta, b by 2 delta, c by 2 delta. that is a plus b minus c. Now this is the students a plus b plus c minus of 2c by 2 delta. So how to write this is the students a plus b plus c. So how to write a plus b plus c is the 2s. Okay, 2s minus 2c by 2 delta. Dear students, here what is the common is there? So s minus c by delta. What is the students? S minus c by delta. Everybody know that. We have to know that the s into is there 2ab cos square c by 2. My dear students, just you can written as how to write the students. So all of you listen here. The s minus c by delta is there. We can written as s minus c by delta, that is s minus c. First you can take into s. After that students we can take into s and 1 by delta into s cancel. Then also students s into s minus c is there. We can take here ab. This is also we can take ab. In this step we have to take into ab by ab. Yes. After that and then also we take by s and into s. This is the formula of the students. Cos of a by 2. Cos c by 2. Cos c by 2 is the under root of s into s minus c by ab. So here the cos square c by 2. What is the student? Cos square c by 2 is there ab upon delta into s. In the next step we have to take 2ab cos square c by 2 by delta into 2s. We are taking into 2 by 2. The 2s is nothing but a plus b plus c. So students, the 2ab cos square c by 2 upon delta into a plus b plus c. This is the students right hand side. 2ab cos square c by 2 delta into 2s is nothing but a plus b plus c. Write down students how to write this is. So students 1 by p1 1 by p2 minus 1 by p3. P1 is the 2 delta by a, that is a by 2 delta, b by 2 delta, c by 2 delta. LCM is 2 delta, is there a plus b minus c. Now we are taking plus c minus c. C minus 2c minus c. This is 2s. 2 cancel s minus c by delta. So just you can observe 2ab cos square c by 2 is there. So we are taking into s by s and into ab by ab. This is the formula of the students. Cos square c by 2, half angle formula. So ab cos square c by 2. In the next step we are taking into 2 by 2. 2s is nothing but a plus b plus c. Okay. Now students, the sin theta equal to a upon b plus c. Then so that cos theta 2 into root of bc upon b plus c into cos of a by 2 into cos of a by 2. Okay students, So my dear students, sin theta is given that a upon b plus c. Now we find cos theta. So we have to know that cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That is 1 minus sin square theta is a by b plus c whole square. b plus c whole square minus a square by b plus c whole square. b plus c plus a into b plus c minus a. Therefore b plus c whole square. This is the cos square theta. Now students, the cos square theta equal to a plus b plus c is the 2s. Now we are taking a plus b plus c minus 2a plus a minus 2a is the minus a upon b plus c whole square. This is the students 2s into a plus b plus c is the 2s. So the 2s minus 2a upon b plus c whole square. My dear students, what is that? Cos square theta equal to 2 is the common, 2 into 2 4. 4 into s minus a by b plus c whole square. What we observed students? 2 is the common, 2 into 2 4, s into s minus a by b plus c whole square. We have to know that s into s minus a by bc is there. So we are taking into bc by bc. Therefore students, cos theta equal to root 4 is the 2. Root of bc, square and under root cancel. This is root of s into s minus a by bc. This is the students, everybody know that this is the half angle formula of cos. Cos theta equal to 2 into root of bc upon b plus c is the formula of cos of a by 2. This is the students cos theta. Cos theta is the 2 into root of bc by b plus c into cos of a by 2. How to write the students? First we take cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin theta is given that a by b plus c whole square. This is the students a square by b plus c whole square. Now the LCM is b plus c whole square minus a square by b plus c whole square. This is compared with x square minus y square. X plus y into x minus y. This is 2s, this is 2s minus 2a. After that 2 is the common, that is a 4. So then also we are taken into bc by bc. Square is sending to the other side. Then we got 2 into root of under root of bc by b plus c into cos of a by 2. Okay students. Now the next one is the students tan a by 2. Tan a by 2 is the 5 by 6. Tan b by 2 20 by 37. Then so that tan of c by 2 equal to 2 by 5. Also so that a b c are in. Also so that a comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression. A b c are in arithmetic progression. Now students, how to write this is? First we saw that the tan of c by 2 equal to 2 by 5. So after that A, B, C are in AP. How to prove this is? My dear students, here we know that these all questions are related to the only triangle ABC. So the A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. So student, this is A by 2 plus B by 2 plus what is there student, C by 2 equal to 90. Is it clear? Now students, we can written as the A by 2 plus B by 2 equal to 90 minus of C by 2. These are given the tan A by 2 and tan B by 2 values. Applying on both sides tan of A by 2 plus B by 2 equal to students the tan of 90 minus C by 2. Is it clear? So students, this is compared with the tan of A plus B, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. So this is tan of A by 2, tan of A by 2 plus tan of B by 2 upon 1 minus tan A by 2 into tan of B by 2. Tan 90 minus theta is the cot theta. Is it clear? Tan of A plus B, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan 90 minus theta is the cot theta. Dear students, the tan A by 2 is the 5 by 6. Tan B by 2 is the students 20 by 37 upon 1 minus tan A by 2 into tan B by 2. 5 into 20, that is 100. Now this is the students, we can written as 6 into 37. 37 into 6 equal to cot C by 2. Now students, the cot of C by 2. Now we are taking the LCM is 36 into 6 into 37, 6 into 37. Now first 5 7s are 35. This is 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. Now student, this is 120. 6 into 20 120. 6 into 7 42 is the 4. 6 3s are 18 plus 4 22 minus 100 equal to is there cot of C by 2. My dear students, what is this one? 5. 1 plus 2 10, that is 305 upon is there students, what is there? 122 equal to cot of C by 2. My dear students, here what is there? We can divide it by 61. So 61 into 2, that is 122. At the same time 61 into 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30. Now this is 61 2s are 61 5s are. This is the cot of C by 2. Now students, the value of tan of C by 2. Reciprocal of cot is the tan. Tan C by 2 is the students 2 by 5. The tan of C by 2 is the value 2 by 5. Is it clear? So the cot of C by 2 is the 5 by 2. And tan C by 2 is the 2 by 5. Okay. Now we saw that A, B, C are in AP. What is the students? A, B, C are in AP. So the first we saw that the cot tan C by 2 is the 2 by 5. Now A, B, C are in AP. Right now students, we are taking the product of tan A by 2 into tan B by 2. That is the students, we can written as or tan A by 2 into tan C by 2. Consider the product tan A by 2 is the 5 by 6. Just now we find out the value tan C by 2 is the 2 by 5. So students, 5 cancel. Tan A by 2. What is the form tan A by 2? We know that S minus B, S minus C. What is the student? S minus B into S minus C upon S into S minus A under root. Tan C by 2 is the students S minus A into S minus B by S into S minus C under root. 2 1s are 2 3s are, that is 1 by P. S minus C cancel. S minus A is also cancel. So students, S minus B into S minus C, S minus B whole square. Square and under root cancel. That is 1 by 3. After cross multiplication, what is the students? Now we are taking the cross multiplication. That is 3 into S, 3S. 3S minus 3B. 3S minus 3B equal to S. So student, this is 2S equal to 3B. 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C. What is the students? A plus B plus C equal to 3B. 3B sending other side. That is the 2B equal to A plus C. B equal to A plus C by 2. So students, A comma B comma C are in AP. Just we take the first and third, the product of first and third term. Then we got 1 by 3. Then it is after simplification we got B equal to A plus C by 2. Then you can write A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. Okay students? Now students, the another question. C equal to 60 degrees. Then so that, my dear students, the first question is A by B plus C, B by C plus A equal to 1, and the second one is the students B by C square minus A square, A by C square minus B square equal to 0. These are the two questions when C is the 60 degrees. So students, we have to know that when C is the 60, C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Is it clear? From the cosine rule, C square equal to, my dear students, A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Now student, this is C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Cos 60 degrees is the 1 by 2, 2 cancel. Now C square equal to A square plus B square minus of AB. Okay students, what is there in the left hand side? A upon B plus C, B upon C plus A upon B plus C, B upon C plus A. So students, the LCM AC plus A square, after that B square plus BC. Now the LCM is, we have to multiply with C, that is C into C, C square, B into C, BC. After that A into B, AB plus AC. Dear students, A square plus B square plus AC plus BC is there. What is the C square is the students from the equation 1? The C square is, we can written as A square plus B square minus AB is there, BC plus AD plus AC minus AB plus AB cancel. What we observed? The numerator and denominator are same. A square plus B square plus AC plus BC. Is there A square plus B square plus AC plus BC? So students, this is RHS. Is it clear? This is the question number 1. Now we saw that question number 2. That is the students, the question number 2 is there. B by C square minus A square. What is the students? C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. C square is A square plus B square minus 2AB cos 61 by 2. Now this is C square equal to A square plus B square minus AB. Set that equation 1. Now the question number 2 is there. Left hand side is there students. B by C square minus A square, A upon C square minus B square. From the equation 1, the C square minus A square is the students. How to write? C square minus A square is there. B square minus AB. A upon, dear students, the C square minus B square. How to write the students? The C square minus B square. What are the remaining? A square minus AB. A square minus AB. Now student, this is B is the cancel. 1 by B minus A. What is there? B minus A. Now A is the cancel. 1 upon A minus B. Now students, how to write this is? Minus is the common. Minus 1 by A minus B. Minus 1 by A minus B plus 1 by A minus B. These two are cancelled. We got 0. Is it clear? Minus is the common. That is minus 1 by A minus B plus 1 upon A minus B. These two are cancelled. We got 0. Okay student, that is the right hand side. Write down students. Now students, the smallest question students. We know that in lower classes, if the angles are in the ratio 1:5 angles are in the ratio 1:5:6, then the ratio of the sides we have to know that students, the sum of the angles A plus B plus C 180 degrees. A is, we are taking some x, B is a 5x, C is the 6x, 180 degrees. My dear students, this is the 12x equal to 180, x equal to 180 by 12. So 12 1s are 12 15s are. So student, this is 12 15s are. So therefore students, A is the, what is the A? A is the x. Angle A is the x, that is we got 15. B is the 5x, 5 into 15 75. C is the 6x, 15 into 6 90. The sum of the angles 180 degrees. Now students, we have to find A is to B is to C, ratio of the sides. 2r sin A is to 2r sin b is to 2r sin c. 2r is the common. Now students, sin 15 degrees. Everybody know that root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 75 degrees. That is the students root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 90 is the 1. So students, the root 3 minus 1. What is the students? The root 3 minus 1 is 2. Root 3 plus 1 is 2. 2 root 2. Each term is multiple with 2 root 2. That is root 3 minus 1. Root 3 plus 1 is 2 root 2. Okay students? Okay students, this is today. Tomorrow we will discuss some models and properties of triangles part 1. Okay, thank you all.